Today's lesson is over how to compare decimals using a place value chart. Your key idea is that you can use a place value chart to compare decimal numbers, to compare 0.356 and 0.36. Follow these steps. So first, you're going to write both of the numbers in a place value chart, which is already done for you right here. 2, if the numbers do not have the same number of digits to the right of the decimal point, you need to fill in with zeros. So I filled in with a 0 right here. Starting from the left, compare the two digits in each column. Continue until two digits are different. The decimal with the greater digit in that column is the greater number. So on these two, I start at the left. They both had a 0, so I'm going to move on. They both have a 3, so I'm going to move on. And all of a sudden in the hundredths place, they both have a different digit, and the 6 is greater than the 5. So that means 0.36, aka 36 hundredths, is a larger number. Some kids get confused on this because this one technically it's got 3 digits, whereas this one, when you first look, only has 2, but that does not necessarily mean it's greater. Now let's put some practice in. It says, write the two decimals in the place value chart, then answer the questions. So 0.713, so 713 thousandths. And then 0.71, so 71 hundredths. And now remember it said up at the top that you have to fill in with zeros. So they're not the same, or right now they're not the same amount of digits. So fill in with a 0, and now they are. So we've done that. In which column should you start comparing digits? Let's see. The ones column, they're the exact same. The tenths, they're the exact same. The hundredths are the exact same. So it looks like in this scenario, we're going to start comparing digits in the thousandths. I don't want to spell out thousandths. Hang on, let me pause it. As you can see, my handwriting looks terrible, and I've been having some difficulties with writing. In number 4, it says which digit in that place is greater. So back to the thousandths. The 3 is going to be greater. I don't know how to make my marker small. There we go. So which number is greater, and how can you tell? If the 3 is greater, then that means that that entire number is greater. So 0.713, oh my goodness, is greater than 0.71. And the reason I can tell is because they had the same digits all the way up to the thousandths place, and once you got to the thousandths place, 3 was greater than the 0. So while you guys are practicing, goodness gracious. Here we go. I'm going to ask you guys to compare using the greater than, less than symbols. And please write the numbers out in the chart, just like I did over here. Oh my goodness, I'm so sorry. It just looks like I'm scribbling all over the page. Anyway, you're going to write the numbers out in the place value chart that I give you, and then you're just going to either write less than, greater than, or equal to. And then, of course, have me check it.